Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel your Kajabi subscription in 2025. Make sure to stick around till the end so don't miss anything. First, head over to your Kajabi dashboard. On the bottom left, click on the settings option. Once you're in settings, scroll down and find the subscription option. Go ahead and click it and you'll see all your billing and plan details. Now simply click the change plan button. Scroll down a bit and you'll see the cancel subscription option. Click on that. Kajabi will try to convince you to stay, listing all the features available on your current plan. Just ignore that and click on cancel subscription again. Next, Kajabi might offer you a big discount, but don't fall for it. Click cancel subscription one more time. Then click on continue to cancel. Now you'll be asked why you are canceling. I personally select found a better tool and then hit submit. And that's it. Your Kajabi subscription is now officially cancelled. But wait, don't click or any pop-up that may appear, especially that one asking if you want to reactive. If you click it, your subscription will restart. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials.